In this question, you're asked to find the ratio in which this line divides the line joining -1, 1 and 5, 7. This, you have a line x plus y is equal to 4. And let us say that you have the point 1, -1, 1 and the point 5, 7. So let us say that the first point is A, the second point is B. Now, I want the ratio in which this line divides the line segment AB. So what is this ratio? So let us say that the ratio is lambda is to 1. So the first method is by section formula. So if this point is P, let us say that this line divides AB in the ratio lambda is to 1. This implies P is equal to 5 lambda minus 1 by lambda plus 1, 7 lambda plus 1 by lambda plus 1. So these are the coordinates of P. Now, my P should be such that it lies on the line x plus y is equal to 4. And this has to satisfy x plus y is equal to 4. So what is the sum of these two? 12 lambda by lambda plus 1 is equal to 4. This implies 3 lambda is equal to lambda plus 1. This implies 2 lambda is equal to 1, which implies lambda is equal to half. Hence, the required ratio is equal to half is to 1 or 1 is to 2. Half is to 1 is same as 1 is to 2. Now, you can do this question even without using the section formula. So which is the shortcut for this type of questions. So what we do is, if you draw the perpendiculars from A and B onto this line, let this be M and N. So can you see that these two triangles are similar to each other? So lambda is to 1, can it be written as AM by BN, the ratio of perpendicular distances. So what is the formula for perpendicular distance? You just need to put this point on this line. That is equal to minus of AX1 plus BY1 plus C by AX2 plus BY2 plus C. So why am I including a minus here? So if both these, so if you substitute the first point on this line and second point on this line, if they give you opposite signs, that means these two are on the opposite side of the line. So the division is internal. So the ratio has to be positive. So if these two are of opposite signs, this number will be negative, but we need a positive ratio. So we include an extra minus sign. So the ratio in which a line divides the join of 2 points is simply you substitute the first point on the line and then the second point on the line. Whatever numbers you get, the negative ratio of those two numbers is the answer. So let us try this. So the required ratio is minus of, you put the first point on this line. So this line is x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. If you put the first point, minus 1 plus 1 minus 4 divided by 5 plus 7 minus 4, that is equal to 4 by 12 minus 4 is 8, that is 1 by 2. So lambda is to 1 is 1 by 2, which is same as the number which you got. Thank you.